Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you two ways of how you can download and install Microsoft PowerPoint for free in 2023. So the first way is going to our computer search and just searching for Microsoft Store. We want to open up the app. Alright, so if the first way doesn't work for you, you can always try the second one. So from the Microsoft app right here, what we need to type is Office 365. Okay, so as you can see, the application itself is completely free, Microsoft 365. So basically we want to click on the app, and then if you don't already have it installed, right here it should say install instead of open. I already have this installed, so that's why it says open for me. But basically you install this application, you log in with your Microsoft account, and then it will ask you to download PowerPoint, and it will download all of the software. Now that's the first way of how you can do this. If that doesn't work for you for some reason, the second way is going to google.com and searching for Office 365 and then opening this first website, the official office.com website. It will most likely ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. I have already logged in. So while you're logged in and on the home page, you get this option to install apps. So if we click on it, a drop-down menu appears. It will say Microsoft 365 apps includes Outlook, OneDrive for Business, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So basically all we have to do is click on this. It will give us a setup file, so we want to click on that to install it. Yes. And then the installation process of all these applications that are shown here, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and I just lost them, but the rest should be right there and the installation process should begin. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.